Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2103 code? This code means the throttle actuator control motor circuit is receiving a higher than normal voltage signal. If you ignore this issue, your engine may behave unpredictably, leading to poor acceleration, sudden throttle response, or reduced performance. P2103 stands for Throttle Actuator Control Motor Circuit High. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the electronic throttle control motor is getting too much voltage, which can cause improper throttle movement. This system controls the throttle valve electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough or unstable idle, sudden or delayed acceleration, reduced engine power, and sometimes jerky throttle response. In some cases, the vehicle may enter limp mode or show a reduced engine power warning. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for short circuits, voltage spikes, or wiring faults that may be sending excess voltage to the actuator. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup that may affect its movement. If voltage remains high or the actuator is not responding correctly, the throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, fix short circuits, clean the throttle body if required, replace the faulty actuator if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2103 on time will restore proper throttle control, smooth acceleration, and safe engine performance.